Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. It's Sean from SeankBeauty. In today's video, I'm super excited because I'm bringing to you a thorough review of the Sleep&Glow pillow. I'm fortunate enough to sleep on this pillow last night and it was a game changer. I thought it would not be versus a regular standard pillow, and I was pleasantly surprised. I also want to talk about some of the advantages of going after a pillow like this and bring the science to that. So without further ado, let's get started. Last night, I had the privilege of unboxing the Sleep&Glow pillow. I'm showing you in the unboxing that this is a three-part system. There's the eucalyptus fiber that allows for the adjustment of the pillow if you need it to be a little bit thicker. And there's the memory foam part, which is the main part of the pillow. And then there's a silk pillowcase. The silk pillowcase I thought was really thoughtful in the way that they did it. It's a zip up. So what it does is prevents this silk pillowcase from sliding off the pillow, and it's easy to just throw in the wash. I wouldn't use bleach, and I definitely say don't put it on high heat or even try to dry clean it. What I also love about the pillow is the anatomical design, meaning that this is not going to bring indentations into the face and start smushing the face. And that's the main part that lends to wrinkling of the skin or premature wrinkling of the skin. With it being anatomical, not only is it preventing wrinkles from happening, it's also fighting existing ones from becoming worse. The silk is definitely lending to keeping the moisture onto the skin and your skincare products staying on the skin. How many of us have woken up and our skin is dry, or we wake up and we're massaging the neck? One, it's going to be supportive to the neck, the shoulders, and also the back, but it's also going to be one that's going to help you to retain moisture onto the skin and moisture in the hair. So let's talk about the cotton pillow. Dun, dun, dun. So when it comes to a cotton pillow, we all have seen the standardized ones. As we can see, this does not support the body at all. It doesn't support the neck, the shoulders, the back, or anything like that. Oftentimes when I sleep on pillows like this, I'm waking up with a headache or I'm massaging my neck, and the downside is my skin is dry. So cotton, even though it's breathable, is going to take the moisture from your skin and your hair. It causes hair loss. Hair strands get hooked in the fibers. It's also stripping the hair of its natural moisture, making it more dry and easy to break. And that's not what we want. So when we're going after a pillow like this, it's going to be very beneficial. This was made by cosmetologists as well as orthopedics to really help us with having a better night's sleep that lends to us being productive the next day, and also helping us to have younger, smoother looking skin. The great thing too, if you have eyelash extensions, this is going to help the life of your eyelash extensions to last longer. And if you're doing like Botox or any sort of, cosmetic surgery, this is really going to be helpful in that regard as well. I'm a side sleeper, so this is giving me the support I need for my neck as well as for my face. So it's not smushing against my face and causing any wrinkles. And it's not stripping me of my wonderful Chantecaille skincare products that I put on that is not inexpensive. So another advantage of this pillow is the fact that there are silver ions all throughout this pillow. What does that mean for you? It means that this is going to be antifungal, antibacterial, and antiviral. So having a pillow like this that is going to be antibacterial is going to be key, especially when we're not washing our pillows often. A lot of people have tried this in the past and they love this pillow, and I see why. This is one I can see myself traveling with, and now I have the confidence in knowing that I'm bringing my own pillow with me, which I typically don't do. I only would travel with a silk pillowcase. But now I've got this pillow that I can have on the plane with me. It's small enough that I can travel with, but big enough that I can sleep on and be comfortable. And I'm also one that is going to highly recommend this to a lot of my friends and family who always complain about having back, neck, headaches when they sleep on a regular standard pillow. So thank you to Sleep&Glow for sending this pillow out to me. And you guys, I'm leaving my code and everything down below. I highly implore you to check this out. Remember, what we do to the skin is more than just, you know, makeup and skincare products. It's also about what we're sleeping on in our lifestyle. All right, I'll see you all in my next one. Ciao for now.